Imagine a world where robots take on the mundane tasks we often shy away from, revolutionizing our expectations of daily life. This isn't just a fantasy. It's happening now, and some of the most innovative players in this field are making headway, raising eyebrows in the tech industry. One notable example is Figure AI, a startup hailing from San Jose, California. This company has recently captured significant attention with its elegantly designed humanoid robots that can perform essential household chores, such as folding clothes and organizing groceries. Such tasks may seem simple, yet they represent a remarkable leap forward in robotics technology. In an intriguing development, Figure AI has secured over $1 billion in its latest round of funding, pushing its market valuation to an astounding $39 billion. Higher than established giants like Delta Airlines and Adidas. This financial backing showcases a growing confidence among investors in the future of humanoid robotics. As Brett Adcock, the founder and CEO of Figure, noted, this funding reflects a collective vision of a future where robots integrate seamlessly into our everyday lives. Alongside Figure, a number of American firms, including Agility Robotics, Apptronik, and Boston Dynamics, are also delving into humanoid robotics. Not to be overlooked is Tesla, led by the visionary Elon Musk, which is developing its interpretation of humanoid technology. These companies are rallying together to advocate for a comprehensive national strategy in robotics, aiming to compete against China's burgeoning advancements in the field. In April, Chinese innovation captured headlines with a humanoid robot half-marathon, where only 6 out of 21 robots completed the race. China also held the inaugural World Humanoid Robot Games in August, featuring robots squaring off in various sports, an event that stirred international interest. Luis Sentis, a professor at the University of Texas at Austin and co-founder of the rival robotics company Apptronik, emphasizes that this industry is not just a temporary trend for a select few companies, but rather an exhilarating collective movement within the humanoid robotics sector. Anticipating rapid growth, a Goldman Sachs report from February 2024 estimates that the global market for humanoid robots could soar to $38 billion within just 10 years, with hints that this industry could soon experience its own ChatGPT moment. The excitement is palpable, although many are still contemplating what this truly means for our future. Figure's vision extends beyond mere convenience. They aspire to develop humanoid robots that take over dangerous and undesirable occupations. While the company's immediate focus is on sectors experiencing acute labor shortages such as manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and retail, their overarching goal is to create general-purpose humanoids that significantly benefit humanity. The latest funding round saw participation from an impressive roster of prominent investors in robotics and artificial intelligence, including NVIDIA, Intel Capital, LG Technology Ventures, Salesforce, and Qualcomm Ventures, underscoring the industry's investment potential. However, despite the burgeoning optimism surrounding humanoid robots, several technical hurdles remain. For instance, the AI systems powering humanoids differ from the language models that fuel conversational AIs like OpenAI's ChatGPT. While those virtual systems are trained on extensive text datasets, robots must contend with intricate and often imperfect visual and sensory information from the physical environment. This challenge creates a constant bottleneck in robot development, in addition to hurdles in crafting mobile robots equipped with efficient, portable batteries and achieving human-like dexterity and manipulation. There are also concerns regarding the security of these AI-driven robots. Recent studies have revealed that humanoid robots can be hacked or otherwise manipulated, leading them to execute unsafe tasks that bypass the safety mechanisms embedded within their systems. Nonetheless, experts like Sentis believe that widespread adoption of humanoid robots may be closer than anticipated. He has labeled 2025 the year of the hand, suggesting we are on the verge of breaking through barriers related to dexterity and manipulation. Sentis passionately asserts, "I think humanoids hold immense promise." As we stand on this precipice of technological evolution, What are your thoughts? Are you excited about the potential benefits of humanoid robots? Or do you have concerns about their implications for employment and security? Join the conversation in the comments.